What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some work at home jobs that you can do right away and start getting paid from home. Alright, so if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome on board. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and how you can use the online space for you to get better both financially and for you to at least get your life on track. Or maybe you want to do side income, or you just want to do it just because you want to get out of the current job that you're in. All right, so whatever you're here for, welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And also, for my regulars, happy to have you here, and I'm excited to get you going. So I'm going to jump into things right away. So I'm going to give you some work at home, stay at home jobs that you guys can do. All right. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is called crowdcontent.com. Right. So crowdcontent.com. It's like a professional content writing service, right? As you can see right here. And basically they're looking for writers, and you can get paid just for, doing some jobs for these people. So how it works, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, right? I'm going to show you. And over here, where they say hire writers, you can click on it. And then when you click on it, you have the enterprise, you have self-serve, and then of course you have, let me take this out of the way. And then of course you have worker, right? So you can click on where it says worker, talented worker who's skilled in writing, editing, community building, apply work to crowd content clients, right? So any one of these, you could click on it and you can get started right away. So if you're a content writer and you love writing, this would be a good place for you, especially if you like to type, or, get your writing skills out there. This is a great way how you can earn some money while you either a side hustle, or you want to do, I don't know if you could do this full time though, but eventually, yeah, you could start saving your money and then start your own online business. And then of course, eventually it will replace your current job if that's your end goal, right? If that's your goal. All right. So the next website I'm going to be talking about is called DesignCrowd. So it's DesignCrowdcom. So basically, this is like a website that always, everything they do with like web design, right? Logo design, business card design, flyer design. So if you like to create those type of stuff, this would be a great place for you to go. I know they have Fiverr and they have Upwork and all that kind of stuff, but hey, sometimes you got to step out and find other means. And that's why I'm bringing this to you guys, so you can look and see what will work for you, right? So how you could do, you could see how it works. You can click on where it says see how it works. There's a video right here. You can watch a little quick YouTube video that I've created, or you could scroll all the way down at the bottom. All right, no, right here. All right, let's get started. I need a design creator, right? So this is if you want to get someone to create you a design. But if you want to work, right, do you want to earn money, find unlimited clients, right? You click on where it says join, put your email address in, create a password, click let's go. And of course, always read like the user agreement, and find out more about it, see what it's like, check out the reviews and all that kind of stuff before you dive into it. All right. So that was number 2. So number 3 website is called TypeInTest.com. And what TypeInTest is, of course, typing, right? So people get paid just for typing, right? Typing jobs, design, or practice typing. So if you come on here, you could see, right, train typing. And there's so many different pop-ups that's on here, right? Step-by-step approach, right? On-screen keyboard. You have motoric warm-up. I don't know what that word is, but right? Word and text drive. So you could come on here and you could see what they have. It's just a testing, or they have like game typing, game zone, all the type of stuff. So it's more of like you come on here, you test it out, you try your skills, but always in anything, check out, some reviews and learn more about it. But I know that, a lot of people been recommending this and I've heard nothing but good things about this. All right. So the last one is called Rev.com, and Rev.com, you can get paid, as you can see, $1 per minute. So if you can do transcription, right, and you can do an hour, you can easily earn $60, right, just from transcription. Captions, foreign subtitles are paying anywhere from $3 per minute. So you can translate videos into subtitles, right, with foreign subtitles. Likewise here, as you can see, there's a lot of videos that have caption on it, and you could just type out whatever it is, and they will pay you. So this is a really cool website. So as long as you're fast, you can start earning money right away. Transcription, $1 per minute. You can click on learn more, right? If you always want to learn more, you could click on this, and it could take you to where you need to sign up, right? So how it works, transcription, how it works, transcription, how it works. Click on that, you will get some more information, right? And it will tell you more about all these, what Rev.com is. So let me click on where it says transcription. So if you click on more, transcription, right? So you could get $1 per audio minute, 12-hour turnaround time, 99% accuracy. So this is if somebody wants to, get started and they want to get involved. Like if someone already have something here, they can upload it, paste the URL. But for you who want to apply, I'll show you guys exactly where to go, all right? So you click on where it says, wait, no, not here. Let me scroll down a little bit. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you guys exactly where you need to go. All right, so it says become a freelancer or join our team. All right, so you can click on here and see if you see openings, or you can become a transcriptionist, captioner, or a translator, and you can earn money while working from home. So this is like the beauty about this, right? So you can click on here, watch a video, and you can apply for any one of these. Earn money while working from home, right? You could choose your own schedule, choose your own projects, right? Grow your career skills, get paid reliably, so you can receive payouts via PayPal. So everybody's using PayPal this time. A lot of people, because PayPal is international and it's easier for people to get paid. So right here, you can like click on apply any one of these, get started, become a part of the team, and you can earn money from home. All right. So I hope this video helps, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, show some love by subscribing, hit that bell notification, and remember, I talk about make money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing. There's a ton of videos on here for you to learn, and I'm sure if you check out some of the videos on my channel, you can find something that will fit for you. All right. Thanks, everyone. Talk to you soon. Peace.